I'm guessing that you've tagged onto this video because you had something that was nagging you. Maybe it's the quiet worry that, you know, about whether your pension will really stretch far enough. Maybe it's the dawning realization that your body won't keep up with the physical side of your work. Um, the commuting, early mornings, late nights, I don't know, whatever your work is. Or maybe it's simply the started asking yourself, is there another way? Um, well, I've been there, so yeah. Hi, I'm John Davis, and after 40 years as a qualified electrician, I found myself asking those exact same questions. Um, so hopefully I can clear things up in this video for you. So as an electrician, my aim was to get free from the tools, the construction sites and the hard physical work I had to do basically. And I wanted to know how to make money online after 50. It's just not for tradespersons like myself, being an electrician. Although, if you're a plumber, bricklayer, plasterer, carpenter, anything like that. Also, for normal sort of jobs where you might be stuck in an office or, cubicle work. You're stuck in a cubicle 8 to 9 hours a day. You're not happy with it. You want something different. You're looking for it. Um, Things have changed over the years. A lot of people have gone online now to find how they can earn some extra money alongside their job, in relation to building it up to quitting their job. The old plan used to be a simple enough, didn't it? We worked hard for 30, 40 years, retire on a decent pension, enjoy the years ahead without too much stress, that sort of thing. But for plenty of people that worked at the time, but we've seen the world shift these days, big shift in employment and income that can build to keep you, in that lifestyle you want to in retirement or heading in retirement, giving you some freedom. We've got rising cost of living, we've got longer life expectancy, that sort of thing. The uncertainty of the economic strategy going forward and the environment, in today's world. Jobs and a pension and savings, they're sort of not as reliable on as they used to be years ago. You might be saying, I'm not sure my pension will stretch far enough. My body won't keep doing this sort of job forever, or I need something else. But most people, they say, where do I even start? If any of those thoughts have crossed your mind, then you're not alone. You're not being dramatic. There is an answer. You don't need to be young. You don't need to be technically minded, or have a big pot of money to start an online business from home to earn some extra income. If you've just got one income, your job, as we've all been taught going through the years, that can let you down. The job disappears. Health issues limits your what sort of work you can do. Costs keep climbing, while income stays plateaued, flat. There's a lot of jobs got no ceiling. You can't break through that ceiling. Or they've got a ceiling, I should say. You can't break through that ceiling. You're kept at where you are. But with online income and starting something on your own to build alongside your job, there's no ceiling. It just keeps going if you're willing to put in a few hours, learn some new skills and adapt yourself. So the best model I've found to start online, it's quite simple really. It's called affiliate marketing. You may have heard that, you may have not, and don't sort of go, oh, what's that? It sounds all too much. It's not really. Basically, you find a product that you've either used or you can recommend. Then you tell people about it basically on social media. It's not one-to-one knocking on doors, telling your family, your friends, and them going, oh, we don't know about that. With social media, you're there, you can reach thousands, if not millions of people. You can tell about this product. And then all you do is you share your affiliate link, which the company will give you, and you can earn a commission when someone buys through that link. It's as simple as that. And you've probably been doing that already. You've recommended, maybe if you've been in the construction industry like me, you might have recommended a tool, a training program. Even in office work or any other sort of work, warehouse work, whatever there is, there's training programs, there's things you recommend. The only difference is you wasn't getting paid for that, see? So by doing it online and recommending stuff with an affiliate link, you get paid commissions. And the community I'm part of actually pays you 80% commissions, which is unheard of. Normally it's sort of 30%, 40%, 50% if you're lucky. So with affiliate marketing, you're not creating the product, it's already there. You're not storing anything. You've not got loads of boxes in your spare room or your bedroom and a load of stuff under your bed waiting to send out. That's not what we're dealing in. It's just digital products basically. And the company deals with all the customer queries and servicing. Any issues, they deal with it. It's as simple as that. So it's completely hands-free option to earn income, a residual income at that. Once you build it, it can keep growing and carrying on. And you can go on vacation, holiday, whatever you're doing, taking time off. Even while you sleep, you can still be earning residual income from the commissions by sharing your link. And it can work for people of our age, like over 50s, because you've got work and world experience. Basically, it's something you can share and tell people about. People, they trust recommendations from someone who's actually lived through the things, not from like a 22-year-old who's read something about online and created some content and sharing it. You've got the experience which builds trust with people. So I've written an ebook, a PDF guide that you can download in the description below. It's called How to Start Building a Second Income After 50. It's a step-by-step guide. It's only 17 pages, so it's probably a 10-15 minute read, if that. But you can download that there, read through it. It might be something you're interested in, and give you some ideas and get that light bulb working in your head, and push you forward to actually do something. Like I say, the risk isn't starting, it's staying stuck. We don't want to be stuck all our lives, do we? This can build freedom and online income like you've never been able to earn money before. If you apply yourself, implement stuff, get some training, and actually, kick it all off. So don't forget to check out the description and that link below in the description from a free ebook. I'm sure it'll help you, and let me know how you get on. There's contact details there. We can have a chat, message, email me, whatever you like. I can sort of fill you in with some more information. So John Davis here saying thank you for watching. Getting to the end of this video, you done well. Consider subscribing and clicking the old bell icon. It helps me out as well to share this with other people. And obviously, if you've got friends or family, colleagues that might be interested as well, point them this way. I'm sure they'll thank you in the long run. So thanks again. Take care, and I'll speak to you in the next one.